Hey YouTube and button masher, RadicalAura back here with another unboxing. Today I have Homefront. So there's the front. There's the back. Home is where the war is. 32 player multiplayer. And there's the side. Let's open it up. Alright, so here's the disc. Oh, look at that, it's not an eco box. You get a battle code. Once again, just like my other videos, this will already be redeemed by the time this is uploaded, so don't get any ideas. And then you got the manual. Black and white, pretty boring. Alright, so yeah, that's really all I got, guys. Stay in touch. Next week I'll have an unboxing of Crisis 2, the limited pre-order edition. So yeah, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.